Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for tuning in this far. As you already know, we're knocking out the maintenance on the good old MQB platform. We have already knocked out all the fluids. Now we have to deal with the mechanical parts. What does that have to entail? Spark plugs, coil packs, possibly PCV system, and a little bit of the timing chain stuff, if you even want to get in that depth. But we're going to start with the basics here today. We're going to start with the good old spark plugs. We need to make sure we have good spark during the combustion stroke so we get all that power, right? Well, with that being said, let's jump right into it. First things first, guys, pop off your cover. Next step, we need to remove this coil pack harness. We can go ahead and pop these 10 millimeters off. You can use a gun, but honestly, I like to use a wrench because sometimes when I do this, these wires stick and you'll break it off. So loosen right up, and then we can go ahead and use a gun. Next up, time to remove the coil pack harness. I love using a pick. Right behind it. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Next up, we need to remove these 10 millimeters from the coil packs herself. All right, coil packs unbolted. Let's get them out of the way. Oh, they're in there. Oh, shit. I might break it. So guys, just hold in tight. We can't stick lube on it because it'll get into the cylinders. Oh, you. Can you believe this? I've never seen this. Look at this, guys. I could. You know what? Oh my gosh. Let's get to the second one. Now that I'm exhausted after the first one. Can you believe that, huh? Hey, well, that's a win. This is a perfect example, guys, while you do your maintenance. This was done on time and with the lubricant in it. Oh, it's good. It's gonna be fun. Okay. There it is, broken, because she wants to play. Next up, guys, time to break the spark plugs free. Now that they're broken free, we can use a gun on it. Not looking too shabby. Definitely OEM, VW. Before installing the spark plugs, guys, we need to make sure the gap's correct. I'm setting mine to 0.028. I'll be running that same gap between all stage 1 and stage 3 tunes. So you can see, barely is nice and tight in there. There we go. Before I install the spark plugs, I'm gonna install this lube, just so you guys can see. Seals boots against moisture. We do not want moisture on the spark plugs. This is an ignition system. Just gonna do just a little bit. Nothing excessive. This is how you make sure the coil pack doesn't stick to the spark plug. From there, go ahead and hand turn the spark plugs in so you don't cross thread it. Next, we're gonna go ahead and torque the spark plugs. I'm torquing them to 20 foot-pounds. Some people say 18, whatever you want to do. All right, guys, the last step to finishing up the job. Let's install these coil packs back in. These grounds aren't looking too clean, so I'm gonna clean them up real quick. You guys gotta be careful tightening this down with a gun. The ground likes to spin, so be careful. There we go. Coil packs are installed, guys. Let's put the engine cover back on. And that's how you do a spark plug job.